All right, welcome back to another video of Client Hunting Masterclass. And if you're watching this video, and if you haven't watched our previous video, our part one, where we discuss 5 methods of client hunting. We discussed method one: business directories, Google Map lead scraping, automated LinkedIn outreach, cold DMs, and cold email at scale. And if you think this video looks general, normal, generics, I'm gonna tell you that most people who hunt client from using business directories, they done 90% wrong, because this is not just find some email, social media, and send them email workflow and cold DM workflow. This is a complete system, and in this video I'm going to break down every single step. We have 7 steps in this video, and this is a playlist, and we are going to create 5 method playlist to hunt clients in every industry, in any industry. So let's start this video. In the screen we have this method one, business directories. In the other video we will discuss other methods in detail. So in method one, we have to understand first buyer persona, then we will get emails using this tool hunter.io, snob.io, clearbait, and voila. I have downloaded all these extension, and this is a practical video. This is going to be a practical video. We will use these directories: Crunchbase, Yellow Page, and AngelList. We will use these directories to hunt client using this social, using this extension. So as you can see in this video, I have created a diagram for you guys, and we have method 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will give away all this document and diagram in the end of this video. I have a very good surprise for you guys. So let's start method one. First we have to create our buyer persona, then we will get 15 emails and 10 social media accounts and 5 phone numbers. Then we will use cold email workflow, cold DM workflow. We have 2 cold email workflow, and we have 2 DM workflow and 2 call workflow for businesses. Then so as you can see, we have these business directories: Crunchbase, Yellow Page, Yelp. So in this video we should use Yelp business directories. I will show you how to get user email, user social media account. So if you are in any industry, and after doing some research of your buyer persona, let me just show you the buyer persona, dream client persona. And this is the persona of my audiences, because I am running a marketing agency. I wish I could show you my clients buyer persona. You can create this buyer persona within 5 to 10 days, by getting information from different websites: Reddit, Quora. If you're in an industry, technology, healthcare, manufacturing, you need to understand your audiences, their age, their genders, their countries, their languages, their company sizes, employees, revenue. And also these are very important step. uh, you need to at least know your audience, 10 hopes and desires, their pain point, their challenges, behavior, the social media platform they use, the type of content and celebrities they admire and the content they consume, the kind of videos, the vacation, and also the trigger points. In my agency, in my case, I most of the time I trigger my audiences by telling them the proof of ROI, case studies, and guarantees. I use risk reversal strategy. I put risk from their shoulder to my shoulder to close any client. And also the speed of result, clear 90 days roadmap. So first, our first step is start this dream client persona for your businesses. Start this persona, and then we will go to any business directories. In this video we are going to use this business directories. Whatever your audience is, you need car wash, dentist, doctor, massage, chiropractors, or let's say if your audience is plumber, you need to, if you're finding plumber businesses, plumber companies, and you need their email, social media account. Let's say this is your potential clients using this buyer persona. This is your potential clients OW builder. It's very easy to find their social media: Facebook, Instagram. You can find them just by searching their business. And we will use these, let's say we use this extension, we use this tool to find their email. Let's say Andrew Collier is decision maker. This is their email, this is their phone number. If you need Danny, Danny is the account executive. This is their email, their phone number. Create a list and get social media accounts, their phone and emails using these business directories and these tools. This is Galaxy, this is hunter.io, this is contact out, and many other extension I have mentioned in these documents. So our first step is create buyer persona, then using these business directory, then hunting 15 emails, 10 social media accounts, and 5 phone numbers daily. So if you hunt 50 businesses daily, and in the end of the month you will reach out, you would have reached out 1500 businesses, and I guarantee you, if you follow this process, you will definitely get 5 to 50 client based on your team size and your efforts and your resource. So then the next step, the second step, we will send them cold email workflow and cold DM workflow. We have this uh, called DM workflow called. And as you can see, I use this workflow when I was hunting client in Dutch markets. Hey team of Samra, I'm founder and I'm Ubaid, the founder and CEO of Account Drive. We have worked with $1 million e-commerce brand from Sweden, Denmark. Right now we are selecting 10 Dutch brands to help boost their sales by optimizing conversion rate. This. If you are ready to double or triple your revenue, if they say yes, perfect, I'm gonna send you the calendar link so you can select the time, meeting time best for you. If they say no, all right, no problem, this is the follow-up message, the second follow-up message. You can create this message based on your buyer persona. Just copy this complete message and go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that's right, this in this format based on your audience, based on your buyer persona, and ChatGPT will write you. All right, no problem, I came across your profile, thought I should reach out. It's a similar brand I scaled back in 2023. It was that was Austria. I increased their average order value of this, and this partner with 7 micro influencer, increase for expanding on Meta. I'm gonna send you the calendar link. Final text, because most of the time the social media handles by marketing agencies or employees. So send them this threatening message. So team, is there any chance I could get contact or social media account and of owner and decision maker of this business, so I could reach them out directly, or you want me to find them manually on internet? Because you have to show them that this is opportunity for them, not for you. You don't need clients, they need service, they need business, they need to grow their brand, their business. And we have this email workflow, also this call workflow. This works very well. Call script 1 2 3. We have two workflow, and we have this email workflow. Phase 1 we have is delivery and orientation. Phase 2 we have education plus nurture. Phase 3 we have objection plus trust. So these are around 10 to 15 emails. And also, if you want to scale your business, you need more than 50 plus clients. And just follow this system. In the end of this video, I will give you free, I will mention the link in the description, so you can get this complete document. Just copy and paste on ChatGPT this email workflow, this cold DM workflow, and tell ChatGPT to write based on your buyer persona. First, get your buyer persona, do some research, and this email workflow. If you want more clients, you must create a bait, a lead magnet for your business. That could be free ebook, VSL, research report, case study, free trial, swipe file, or anything. In my case, I have created these two lead magnet. First is my book. The second is my book for e-commerce businesses, Pipeline Power, how to build $100 million lead magnet. I have created opt-in page where sometimes I run paid ads and redirect to my opt-in page where user get free book in exchange of their email. Then I send them this email workflow. As you can see, I have two email workflow called email workflow for cold audiences and email workflow for people who fill the form in exchange their email to get free book. So I send them this email workflow and also DM workflow for lead magnet. So create a lead magnet, follow this process. The process is very simple. Business directories, and hunt these 15 email businesses using these business directories, this tool, and let them book a call with you. If they don't book a call, send them final Loom video. Find their business, their competitor, and tell them that they need these services, they are doing this wrong, they need to increase this and this, they need this budget. And what you will exactly give them, create a 5 to 10 minute video for their businesses. So you could tell them that how you are better than their competitor, and send them the video on DMs, email, or just call them directly. Call them, hey John, I have sent a video for you where I have mentioned how I can scale your business by 2x, 3x, 4x within 4 to 6 months. And if I don't, I will work for you for the next 3 months for free. This could be your offer. So use this method and follow my channel. In the next video, I will guide you how you can get tons of client by using Google Map lead scraping method.